attention affiliates or affiliates that haven't become affiliates yet but want to, but you're just a little uncertain. I want to come to you here on the YouTube channel and kind of give you a little bit of sales tips. And when you're first getting started, it's like, I don't know how to talk to people, I don't know what to say to them, and then you get fear of rejection, and you have all these negative thoughts, and pretty soon you're like, I'm good, I don't want to do it. So I want to help you with that, because sales is the highest paid profession in the world, and not only is it going to help you, but it's helping the customer. We always have to keep the customer in mind, because without this hydrogen water in their body, where are they going to go? If they keep drinking the tap water and the bottled water over the next 10 to 15 years, where is their health going to be? And they're going to spend way more money buying bottled water than our products, okay? So you have to keep that in mind. It's not so much about you, it's about them and helping the customer. So I want you to understand that sales is a skill, and you have to learn the skill. And how do you learn? You learn by doing. I always think it's funny, you go to school to get information, but they don't teach you how to learn. That's why so many people go to college and they don't even know what they want to do, but they're in college. They get all this information, the knowledge, but then they're working at Walmart, or they're working at Fred Meyer or somewhere. They're not even using their career. They're not even using the knowledge that they have because they didn't learn it, okay? So you must learn by doing. So that's the first step here, is you've got to take action so you can learn. So what I'm teaching you here, you got to go out and do, okay? So the first thing is I want you to have a title to your name. So if you are an affiliate, you already know that we have a whole training series for you. Just go to the website, sign up to be an affiliate, it's complimentary. Go in there and get your title. You're a hydration specialist, you're a water enthusiast, you are a hydrogen water therapist, whatever you want to be, you become it. You need a title, okay? That's the title to your name, that's the credibility. So then when you talk to somebody, they're going to ask you what you do. That's an opening, okay? So if you say, I'm a water specialist, I'm a hydrogen water specialist, I'm a wellness expert, whatever it is, right? Oh, wow, what's that? Now you have an opportunity, a 30-second story. So you want to create a title and you want a story behind your name. Beginning, a middle, and an end. So I'm a hydration specialist. Well, what's that? Well, I'm really glad that you asked. Several years back, I was clinically obese, had mercury poisoning, adrenal fatigue, and I lost my female cycle, and I couldn't figure out what was wrong with my body. I kept going to all the doctors, they kept giving me pills. Well, I kept searching and I found this hydrogen water. I started drinking it and it transformed my health. And so I decided that's what I want to do, is help people one glass of water at a time. So now I want to help you acquire better water in your life. What kind of water do you drink? What kind of health issues do you have? Do you buy bottled water? Do you drink tap water? So then it's all about asking the right questions, okay? So we're gonna be training more and more on this. If you are an affiliate and you're not joining in on the Monday and the Thursday calls, you're really missing out, because we are here to give you value and help you grow as a person and help your family. And it's around the holiday season too. So if you're wanting some extra income, then you definitely wanna join now. There's no obligation to buy anything. But if you're not a product of the product, then you're really just lying to people, telling them, hey, yeah, I suggest that you have the product, but I won't even justify the cost for myself. So that's really not saying much about the products, or you just don't have a big belief system. So either way, we love you. We want you to be in the program. So join us as an affiliate. We'll be coming more and more with tips for you. So until the next video, I want you to practice. Remember your title and your story, where you were at, where you're going, and the middle story is how this water impacted your life, or how are you changing your life because of this event, because of this water, okay? So anyways, thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.